Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take the tail off a turkey. Removing the turkey tail is a crucial step for a delicious roast. This small, fatty part contains oil glands that can impart a strong, undesirable flavor to your entire bird. By taking just a few moments to remove it, you ensure a cleaner, more pleasant taste for your finished dish. It truly makes a significant difference in the overall flavor profile of your turkey. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a very sharp chef's knife or a sturdy pair of kitchen shears. These will make the job much easier and safer. Place your turkey on a clean, stable cutting board. Make sure the bird is completely thawed, as this allows for easier handling and a cleaner cut. Proper preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's get to the removal process. First, locate the small, fatty tail at the very rear of the turkey. It's usually quite prominent. Using your sharp knife or kitchen shears, carefully cut through the joint where the tail connects to the backbone. You might feel a slight resistance. Apply firm, steady pressure to ensure a clean separation. This step is quick and straightforward. Once the tail is removed, you can simply discard it. It's not typically used in most turkey preparations. Next, it's a good idea to pat the entire turkey dry with paper towels. This helps create a crispy skin when roasting. Now your turkey is perfectly prepared and ready for the next steps, whether that's brining, seasoning, or heading straight into the oven for roasting. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.